Our brains are marvels of nature, intricate and complex beyond our wildest imaginations. They hum with activity, constantly processing information, making decisions, and orchestrating our every move, even when we are not consciously aware of it. But this relentless activity generates waste, much like a bustling city produces garbage. Just like our homes need regular cleaning to stay livable, our brains require a sophisticated system to clear out the cellular debris and waste products that accumulate. Enter the glymphatic system, the brain's very own waste disposal and cleaning crew. This system works diligently while we sleep, ensuring that our brains are refreshed and ready for the next day. This recently discovered system is essential for maintaining a healthy brain. It operates primarily during sleep, when the brain's cells shrink to allow more space for the glymphatic system to flush out waste. It plays a crucial role in removing toxins that build up between brain cells, including harmful proteins that are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Without the glymphatic system, our brains would be swimming in their own waste, leading to impaired cognitive function, memory problems, and overall poor brain health. Understanding this system is key to unlocking a future of optimal brain health. By learning more about how the glymphatic system works, we can develop new strategies to support its function and potentially prevent or treat brain-related illnesses. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on brain health. Your support helps us bring you the latest discoveries and tips for a healthier mind. The glymphatic system is a complex network of channels and pathways that plays a vital role in maintaining brain health. It operates within the brain, acting like a microscopic sanitation system, ensuring that the brain remains free from harmful substances. This system is crucial for clearing metabolic waste and toxins that accumulate during the day, which, if left unchecked, could lead to various neurological disorders. It does this by circulating cerebrospinal fluid, a clear liquid that surrounds the brain and spinal cord, helping to flush out unwanted materials. The term glymphatic itself reveals a key aspect of this system, combining elements of both the brain's glial cells and the body's lymphatic system. It combines glial cells, the brain's support cells, with lymphatic, referencing the body's lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing waste and toxins from tissues. Glial cells, particularly star-shaped cells called astrocytes, form the channels through which cerebrospinal fluid flows, effectively washing the brain clean. These astrocytes play a crucial role in maintaining the brain's environment, ensuring that neurons can function optimally. Interestingly, the glymphatic system is most active during sleep, highlighting the importance of rest for brain health. During sleep, the brain's cells shrink, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow more freely and remove waste more efficiently. Without an effective glymphatic system, the brain would struggle to remove these harmful substances, potentially leading to cognitive decline and other health issues. Therefore, understanding and supporting this system is crucial for overall brain health. The glymphatic system is most active during sleep, working tirelessly behind the scenes to maintain our brain's health. This highlights the critical importance of quality rest for brain health, as it is during these restful hours that our brain undergoes essential maintenance. As we drift off into slumber, our brains transition into a state that is highly conducive to glymphatic clearance, a process vital for our cognitive well-being. During this time, blood vessels relax, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow more readily through the expanded spaces between brain cells, facilitating the removal of waste. This cerebrospinal fluid acts like a cleansing river, carrying away waste products including amyloid beta, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease, thus playing a crucial role in brain health. The efficient removal of such toxins is crucial for preventing their buildup and potential damage to brain cells, ensuring that our brain remains healthy and functional. The glymphatic system therefore acts as a silent guardian, vigilantly protecting our brains from harm while we sleep, ensuring that we wake up refreshed and ready for a new day. The glymphatic system's impact on brain health is profound. By removing waste and toxins, it supports optimal cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Research suggests that a well-functioning glymphatic system may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Conversely, a compromised glymphatic system can have detrimental effects. Disruptions to this system have been linked to cognitive decline, sleep disorders, and an increased risk of neurological conditions. Therefore, prioritizing the health of our glymphatic system is paramount for maintaining a healthy brain throughout our lives. Nurturing your glymphatic system. The good news is that we can take proactive steps to support our glymphatic system. Given its peak activity during sleep, prioritizing quality sleep is paramount. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night to allow ample time for glymphatic clearance. Creating a conducive sleep environment is key. Ensure a dark, quiet, and cool room, and establish a regular sleep schedule. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, as these can disrupt sleep patterns and hinder glymphatic clearance. The power of sleep. Your brain's rejuvenating spa treatment. Think of sleep as a nightly spa treatment for your brain. While you rest, the glymphatic system is hard at work, clearing out the day's debris and rejuvenating your brain cells. This process is essential for waking up feeling refreshed and mentally sharp. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, is like skipping this crucial spa treatment. It leaves your brain feeling sluggish and increases the risk of cognitive decline and other health issues. Make sleep a non-negotiable priority in your life. Beyond sleep, holistic habits for a thriving glymphatic system. While sleep is crucial, other lifestyle factors can also impact glymphatic health. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids, and stress management techniques like yoga and meditation can all contribute to a thriving glymphatic system. Staying hydrated is also key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports optimal CSF flow, facilitating efficient waste removal. By adopting these healthy habits, you can create an environment where your glymphatic system can thrive. Embracing a future of brain health. The discovery of the glymphatic system has revolutionized our understanding of brain health. We now know that this intricate system plays a vital role in maintaining cognitive function, protecting against neurological decline, and ensuring overall brain well-being. By prioritizing sleep, embracing a healthy lifestyle, and supporting our glymphatic system, we hold the key to unlocking a future of vibrant brain health. Let's make these insights a cornerstone of our health journey, empowering ourselves and future generations to live long, fulfilling lives with sharp and resilient minds. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can spread the knowledge and build a healthier future for all.